Hello Internet, welcome back to the BulbaSquad. Before we jump into our video, we're going to be talking about the Pokemon 25th anniversary, everything Pokemon's released recently, all the news we have about it. It's not a whole lot of information, but it's some cool stuff that we know is coming out, so we're going to talk about that in a minute. Before we do that, we do have a release date for Pokemon Snap. It's coming out April 30th. I am so excited for this game. You can just look how pretty it looks. It looks great. I'm excited. Anyway, in preparation for Pokemon Snap coming out, we were wondering if you guys would be interested in watching a Pokemon Snap playthrough of the old Pokemon Snap game for the Nintendo 64. If you guys are interested in seeing that, leave a comment down below. If you're not, also leave a comment down below, just so that we can kind of gauge what you guys are interested in. With that, we're going to get on to the next information. The Pokemon Company has released this video, 25 Years of Memories, which, I'm going to be honest with you guys, you should just watch it. I would go through the whole thing, but honestly, I just think you guys would probably enjoy watching it yourself. It's nice. It's very nice. It goes through just everything they've kind of done in the past 25 years. The different series, the different Pokemon, even the trading card games in there. It kind of gives a little spoiler. It's not really a spoiler. We all know what's coming. Of a Shining Fates with the shiny Charizard. I don't know why whoever is playing this Pokemon game is using a Weedle against a Pikachu. If you have a Weedle, it means you have a starter, and your starter should be able to fight this Pikachu. But whatever. But yeah, go down to the description. It talks about Pokemon. I actually like this comment down here specifically. This person who said they're one of the builders who worked on it, and it took over a month to plan, and how difficult it is to make a Pokeball roll correctly. I think that's just hilarious. I'm glad that this person got the chance to work on it. I'm sure it was lots of fun. But anyway, regardless of that, this is just a cool video. I highly suggest you guys go and watch it just to check it out yourself. And then if we go... Oh, I'm at the bottom. We're going to go back to the top. Okay, if we go over to the Pokemon website. Yeah, they're talking about 25 years of Pokemon. They're celebrating. So they're saying it's going to be a full year, or a fun-filled year of Pokemon. They've got some partnership with Katy Perry at the very least, and maybe some new people or other people to make cool music. Relive your Pokemon journey. Each month they're going to revisit the many regions in the world of Pokemon. The adventure kicks off in March with the Galar region. So they're doing a countdown from March. There's, 8 generations? So I'm pretty sure it ends in October. Or at least that's when Kanto region comes out, which is right around the time that the TCG started, was in September or October. One of those two. They've got some new Pokemon products, Pokemon gear they say. This is a binder to hold your jumbo cards. We'll get to that in a minute. And they're going to have a lot of stuff. It's really fun to look at all these videos and show off all this little stuff. I'm excited about it. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Every time I, look at all this stuff and remember all the Pokemon from all over the years, hits me in the feels. Really does, because I remember Johto region. I just had so much fun with the egg hatching ability. I remember Kanto, of course. I even remember what is this? Gosh, I can't think right now. It's not the Hoenn region. It's the Sinnoh region, yeah. And then the Hoenn region right there. I don't remember as much these newer generations because I wasn't as into Pokemon, but I did play pretty much all of them. Just not as in-depthly as the other ones. So, if we jump over here, we're going to be in Poke Beach. They have just pretty much a list of all the Pokemon cards. As you can see, it's just pretty much every single starter Pokemon in their debuting set with the 25-year anniversary logo in the corner. Sorry about that. Nope, he's not going to stop drinking water. That's fine. That's my dog, by the way. I'm sorry. He's a saboteur. Sabotages all the videos. Anyway. But yeah, it's really cool to get to see. You get to see all the cards in the set they came out in. They're going to be jumbo cards, too, which is just great. I'm just so happy. I love jumbo cards. So here it says down here, this is when they're all going to start coming out. They're going to be called First Partner Pack, and then have their specific region. They're all going to be $9.99. It comes with 3 jumbo cards of its starter Pokemon, as well as 2 regular booster packs. I don't know what the booster set is going to be. Maybe it'll be Shining Fates. Maybe it'll be something different. Maybe it'll just be booster packs from when they came out. I highly doubt that. But, you know, it'll be whatever. Let's throw evolutions in there, maybe. But you can see it starts March 5th, April 2nd, May, June, July, August, September. Yep, ends in October. That's when we get to the Kanto region. Here's all the pack arts. They look pretty cool. So we're counting down from Galar. And there's also going to be a jumbo card. The First Partner Collection binder. I'm sorry, not the jumbo cards. The First Partner Collection binder, it's going to be releasing just before everything starts coming out in March. So in February, the end of it, $10. It'll hold 30 jumbo cards, and it'll come with the jumbo Pikachu card. This one. Nope. This one right here. So I'm looking forward to that. How do I get out of here? There we go. So anyway, yeah. So you're going to get this cool binder. You're going to get all these jumbos. You're going to be able to store them in the binder. I'm really hoping I can get them all. I'm hoping that it says they'll be... Where does it say this? Oh yeah, it says they'll be sold in stores and the Pokemon Center website. I know the website is going to be bombarded by people and probably sell out really quickly. Hopefully stores are going to have more of it more readily available. I am going to try to recommend you guys don't try to pre-order this online for anything more than $10. I'm sure they're going to print a lot of them. I sure hope they do at the very least. Just because it's an anniversary, they know it's going to be in high demand. They should be prepared for that. But try to just find them in stores if you can. Try not to pay too much for them. They're really cool cards, yeah, but I would advise against trying to pre-order them for a ridiculous price. Because we don't know how many they're going to be, obviously, but I think they'll try to print a bunch of them at the very least. Yeah, I'm really excited about all of this. This is just really cool. They also say something down here about how it's not going to be the only promotional Pokemon for the TCG. There are still going to be, at least they say, thanks to leaks, there should be promotions at McDonald's as well. So hopefully you can find them at McDonald's too. Just get some Happy Meals. You know, be an adult, buy the Happy Meal, do it. Live your childhood as an adult. We all want to do it. We all want to relive. So yeah, that is all we really got for you. Just this information. I'm looking forward to it. I'm so happy they're doing like a full year of Pokemon stuff. I'm excited to see what other stuff they have too. I like how Mario started that with last year, their 35-year anniversary, did a whole year of pretty much promotional stuff and announced a few things and changed the whole Nintendo eShop Mario themed. Oh, my dog found a toy. I thought I stole them all from him. Oh well. Sorry about that. We got him like 20 squeaky balls, and it was a terrible decision when I think about it now. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're just as excited about Pokemon as I am. I'm super excited. Let me know which one's your favorite starter out of all of these. My favorite is Bulbasaur, followed by Cyndaquil. So yeah, let me know what your favorite starter is in the comments below. Let me know how excited you are for this, and I'll see you guys next time.